Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can join public servers on Discord. So for instance, you have just started Discord and you don't know what server to join, just join in public servers here. There's gaming, music, education, science and tech, entertainment, and student. For instance, you play Valorant. So you're just going to search Valorant in the community section here, and it's going to show the communities that are public. Right here, for instance, this one's like the official one, and the rest down here isn't. So this one's like a competitive one. For instance, you're looking for someone to be in a team with, or like you're finding like people to like compete with you and like custom and stuff like that. And to join, you're just going to select the server, but this one's currently full, so maybe not, but you're just going to select it and you're just going to enter it. Sometimes Discord servers have like rules you have to follow before you start. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.